Hey, what I have here today is my welding iron, and I'm having a problem with this that I'll show you in a moment. This part here, as you can see, it's pretty much damaged due to the heat, and this one almost comes out, and so when I need to change a tip, you see, it goes through and out and nothing holds it in place. So I'll build some kind of a bracket to put here to hold this in place. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure this here. This one gives 7.6. I'm gonna measure on the tip this area here, and that gives me 438. And what I'll do is I'll use this and I'll drill two holes, one with 7.6 and one with 438. And then I'll bend this and I'll try to put this in between, and it will work as a bracket. What I did was I picked this piece of scrap metal and drilled two holes, and now this one, the tip fits here, see, and this one fits here, see. Now I'll simply put this on, it will hold this in place. Now I'll bend this one over this on top to hold this one in place. I bent this piece of metal, drilled a big hole on the bottom, one on top, and now this part goes in between like this, and then I put my tip and put it in the iron, and just put this in place, and there you go, it holds the tip in place. This is what I end up with, but now it is still, it's starting to warm up.